Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to track project milestones with Todoist, your 2025 guide. First up, you'll want to create a new project. Simply click on the plus sign next to the Projects tab, name your project, and hit Enter. This is where you'll be keeping track of all your milestones, tasks, and progress, keeping everything in one place. The reason we do this is to ensure clear organization and visibility of your project milestones. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding tasks. Click on the Add Task button, type in your first milestone, and hit Enter. Repeat this process for all your milestones, breaking them down into manageable tasks. This helps us because it allows us to see every step we need to take to reach our milestones. Next up, let's assign due dates to our tasks. Click on the task, then click on Schedule. Pick a date, and you're done. This is crucial because it gives us a timeline, ensuring we stay on track and meet our milestones on time. Now, I want to explain why this matters. By tracking your project milestones in Todoist, you're not only keeping yourself organized, but you're also setting clear, achievable goals with set deadlines. This helps to keep you motivated, focused, and productive. Lastly, don't forget to check off your tasks as you complete them. Just click on the task and hit the Complete button. This gives you a visual representation of your progress and the satisfaction of seeing those tasks getting checked off. And that's it, folks. That's how you track project milestones with Todoist. Remember, the key is to break down your milestones into manageable tasks, assign them due dates, and check them off as you complete them. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.